Welcome to SFN where we be getting it in. So look, today I'm going to show y'all how to fix a Salvage title. It's a couple of types of titles that you got out here. You got clean titles, you got Salvage titles, you got rebuild titles, you got bonded titles, you got junk titles. Hold up. Before I go into telling y'all how to fix a Salvage title, man, y'all need to subscribe to the channel. Tell me what y'all want and what y'all want to see. And I'll drop anything, any information about the car business that I know you got that y'all want to know. Titles, you got a bill of sales. A bill of sales like a contract, like an agreement that this a bill of sales right here. This a bill of sale. That's a contract of you transferring the title to another person or a business transferring the title to you. Sometimes when they ain't got no title, they give you this. And you can take this and go get a bonded title. But today, we're going to talk about a Salvage title. The Salvage title and how to rebuild a Salvage title or fix. So look, with a Salvage title is a car that was wrecked before and got damage history. So if the car was wrecked before and got damage history, that's what Salvage means. It's showing you that it has damage history. And to rebuild it, I'm finna get into that right now. Okay, I'm finna go on get into it. So today, I'm finna show y'all how to fix the Salvage title. So this is the instructions paper. Look, it show you need a color photograph of the vehicle, the damage before and after. That's basically what they saying. So you need receipts of all parts replaced on the vehicle, right? It's telling you the steps. So you need a money order for $85 if you're a dealer. You need a money order for $75 if you're an individual. That means if you're a regular person, you need $75 to fix this title. So then this is what you do. After you fill out this application, I'm finna show y'all with these documents. You send it to this address right here if you in the state of Tennessee. Right here, that's the steps if you're a dealer. Right here, that's the steps if you're an individual. But I'm finna explain y'all these steps. And this the number. If you have any question, if you're in Tennessee, that's the number you call. If you want to get the form that I got right here, this is where you go to this website and download this form. This the front of the form right here. This telling you all about it. But I'm finna describe to y'all what to do. You fill out this form right here. You put the vehicle information right there. That's how you lost the vehicle, whatever. The date, the state, the mileage. Down here, you sign it. So let me show y'all the important part of the information. So this part right here is the important part, so pay attention. Right here, if you're a dealer, put your dealer number. If you're not a dealer and you're an individual, click individual. Put your name, your email, all your good information. Put the vehicle information, the vehicle VIN, the model, all your information. Right here, this if it been wrecked, that mean the collision mean wreck. Fire, it mean if it had some type of fire damage. It ain't just really the car got to be on fire. It could have had some outside fire damage, some inside fire damage, but the car still drives. This mean the car been flooded before. It been flooded before. That mean the car been stolen, but it been recovered, and they selling it in auction. Other can mean repossessed, can mean a court order, can mean you bought it from like a government auction, something like that, but it had a Salvage title or no title. Right here, the builder information mean the shop that rebuilt the car for you. If you rebuilt it yourself, put your name, your email, and your phone number and your address if they need to get in touch with you about something on the car. This right here, the list of the components that was damaged, but you replaced them. You will need a before and after picture of everything you replaced on the car. And you will need all the receipts. And at the end, the builder, they sign it, and they date. So let's come back right here. For instance, I got a car, and it got a Salvage title, but it need an engine. So let me give y'all an example. This the junkyard that I bought it from. You see, it got VIN number on it, engine assembly, or whatever. This the receipt, and they got the stock number. Right here, this the receipt. Got the same information on there. This the VIN the car came out of. Making sure it's not stolen. Like you ain't stealing a car and putting stolen parts on the next car. That means they're trying to make sure it's not stolen. So it come with the VIN number that you got the car out of, and the price that you bought it from, and where you bought it from. So if they need to verify, they can call and verify. So after you get that process done, this is a Salvage title right here. This is a Salvage title. It's a Salvage title. So, with that being said, once you get all that stuff done that I just told you to do, what you gonna do? Once you get this form done right here, what you gonna do is attach all photos, all receipts. Then you gonna go to the highway patrol. I think you can get you an appointment at a highway patrol or a police station. You go to the police station and you go to the wrong place, they gonna tell you where to go do what you trying to do with. So you got all the information I told you, take it there. And they gonna inspect the car first. You gonna get the packet and they gonna stamp it if it's approved, and they gonna send it off. In like 30 to 40 days, you gonna get a rebuild title in the mail. You take it to the DMV. It gonna have a stamp on it. You take the title to the DMV and they gonna register. It gonna come back in your name. They gonna register. And there you go. How to fix a Salvage title. I know y'all tired of paying that $350, $400. Going to dealers and they busting you up, man. So I just put that information out there, man. That's it.